Hey guys, another update. Okay, I got the front cleaned up and put on for now. At least I can run with that for a bit until I rewind it. I got the back put on. I had to, for whatever reason, I'm not too sure why, but my custom clamp that I made for the caliper wouldn't fit from, well, it was bolted from here to here, and it wouldn't reach. I guess it's this way too much over. So what I did is I bolted it from here to here instead with a bar, and that'll keep the forces from dragging it over and keep it from popping out in the bottom. I tested it; it's pretty good. This wiring here will have to be done, and there'll have to be some blue covering put on it, and then I'll have to make another harness from there to the next controller that I'm going to put up here. This is the Brain Power 1500 watt at 69 volts. I'm running it right now. The next one will go right on top of that, make it one solid one. We'll glue them both together. I was thinking of making a bracket, but actually if you put shoe glue on the corners and put them together, by the time it dries it'll be solid as a one solid piece. One thing nice about these controllers is you don't have to set up the hulls. They actually do have self-learning. Like I got them plugged in here, but if you unplug them it'll still work. And so when I stack the next one, it'll feed off the same power supply. The only difference is the throttle cable, the sense lead or the white wire will go to the white wire on this controller here, and it won't be feeding off the positive or negative on the lead. This one's going to take care of that. Should work pretty good. And then basically just double up on the power, and that's it. Run the phases down to there. If it has self-learning, I'm actually just going to use the self-learning. I'll let both motors be on self-learning. I hate hulls. I hate dealing with them. But anyway, I'll show you that the front end is at least up and running. Still got lots of work to do. Let me find a place for it to put down. See from there. Yeah, it should be good enough. Yeah, this controller runs pretty good at even at 69 volts. I'm surprised, but it's like I said, it's going to have lower amps. Oh, and the other thing it has is the pedal assist or the cadence. That's plugged in, so that's going to work too. When you pedal, it's gonna work with that. So that's kind of cool. I haven't had that for a while since I blew the other one up. It's got half decent pickup for a Amazon controller. Anyway, that's it. When the rest of the parts come in, we'll, like I said, we'll stack it up there, wire it up, and test the back. I probably will have to hang it off the rafters and test both motors at the same time. Anyway, that's it, guys. See you later.